Renee, Lily, I will murder you. Okay, we already started a little bit. This is my private server. Now we will pick up.
I gotta start.
Stay away from my area.
Shut up. Okay, I got Mr. Num Num. Mr. Num
So
Num.
is this all the buildings areas?
Yeah,
No,
Guys,
it's all purple.
No,
Guys,
this is my area, Layla.
guys, shut up. I'm trying to introduce Layla. Put the bed down, Layla.
It's my color.
Put the bed down. I'm trying to do something. So this is Layla. She's new to the channel.
I'm not. Oh,
Yes, you are, dummy.
I thought this was totally bros.
It's not. Don't mention that on the channel. Okay. I will build somewhere. I see stock shelves over there. I see red bed, my favorite color. And I see.
What's your new YouTube channel name?
Okay. So this, oh my god, it's gorgeous. I'm building right here. It is
Sadie,
already.
Sadie, this is rigged. Why does Lily have the purple territory? That's my color.
Do you already claimed it? Find a different plot. It doesn't matter.
That's my favorite color.
Find a different one. It's not that hard.
Fine. There's no purple hair places now.
Okay, I must build. I must eat because I'm hungry. Okay. Now I steal this.
Hey, no, oh my god, I'm stealing the TV then. My TV. TV.
What? Layla, what are you doing here?
I'm not doing anything. I'm finding a place.
Okay. I will steal this. Okay.
I steal fridge. Guys, I have a fridge.
Oh my god, Lily, you fat monkey.
Hey.
Who whistled?
I don't have a wait, I don't have a place to put a fridge
It was
actually.
Layla.
I'm gonna throw this. I'm throwing this. Here you go, Mason.
Oh, thanks for the free.
I just threw the fridge in his place.
Oh my god. Okay, who has the most completed base?
No one.
No, I mean, Mason, I'm coming. Mason, I'm coming. Mason.
Are you coming, Noah?
I'm not. I said no because I thought I saw an employee. I'm not calling you Noah.
Baby, what is wrong with you?
Okay, I'm gonna crouch in the corner 'cause I'm scared.
Oh my god, I see one. And it has a name. It's called Layla.
Wait.
For this. This ain't your home.
No, I'm staying
No, move it.
here. No.
Move it.
No.
Mason, push her.
I'm gonna push
I will-
you when I get to you. If I ever come wherever you
You see this?
live.
I'm num num. 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 Num.
Okay.
Num. Num. Num.
Where is Mr. Num Num?
Wait, num num.
Wait a very second.
Mr. Num Num. I'm coming, Mr. Num Num.
And then you find a bathtub.
Mr. Num Num.
Let me be stupid.
Mr. Num Num, come here. My gorgeous Mr. Num Num. Okay,
Guys, I can't find a bathtub anywhere to put the food in.
it doesn't matter. We can just get like
Did anyone claim this green place?
Is it a part of the purple place?
okay.
Yeah, I guess.
Then it's mine.
You literally stole my favorite color.
It's a Layla. It's a plot.
Quit fighting over a plot.
You stole my color though.
my
Layla,
God.
it does not matter. Mason, tell her it does not matter. And I'm being dangerous and I'm running around. Trying to look for a bathtub, but I can't find one still.
Oh my God. I have Mr. Num Num. Layla, look, I have Mr. Num Num.
Put Mr. Num Num away.
No. I'll show you Mr. Num Num. Mr. Num Num. Mr. Num Num.
It's not time for Mr. Num Num.
It is very much time for Mr. Num Num.
This is my place now.
No, wait, is it? If it's my place, I'm going to hurt you.
And how are you gonna do that?
Wanna know? Next time I see you in real life, I'm going to bring you to the ground and tackle you to death.
Oh my God.
I will do it.
Yeah, and that only place is that we're at if we're gonna be at Charles' house.
Suck.
I'm just casually building my
Yeah, I'm
house.
still running around. I can't find a bathtub. By
I
the way.
can't put the door down. Sage, help me.
What?
I can't put this door down.
Oh my God. Pretend like it's Minecraft. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fine, Layla, you little dookie.
Hey.
Give me the dang door. Then you do a little thing called rotating, and you take it and you place it in the door. Come on.
No,
Mr.
like in the doorway.
It is in the doorway.
No, right here.
Because I haven't seen a single employee
It is right there.
running around.
Right here.
No, it's not. Girl. What do you mean?
There's no freaking way. I just found the
Oh my
best.
God.
I found the best decoration of all time.
What'd you find?
A rainbow pencil.
You found the rainbow thing. You found the rainbow pencil.
Can it be daytime already? I'm sick of waiting.
You have to wait. There's literally no noise around.
True.
Yeah, I was thinking gonna like.
I'm going home, and if I see Layla doing
Oh my God.
anything in the house, I'm going.
Layla, I found the perfect plot for you. Layla, I found a
Where
purple
is it?
plot. Layla, I
Layla,
found
that's
another purple plot.
mine.
It's not
Layla,
yours!
that's mine.
Oh my God. Layla,
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 this is
Layla,
mine.
Layla,
There's
Layla,
more
come
than
here.
one thingy. That's mine. I
Layla.
did not take from your home at all.
Layla, come here. Come here, Layla. I want to show you something. Come here. Come here. Why are you slow? You slow. Just slow. Okay. Look, there's another purple plot over here.
Oh my God,
Look,
I don't have a bathtub.
Why is it so far away?
I don't know. I didn't build the map, Layla. Look right here. There's purple LED light.
That's what I found.
What?
Bathtub.
Oh my God.
I don't know where to put it though.
Hey, where's your house then?
Mine?
Why did mine not be so far away?
I didn't say you had to live there. I said you could live there. These aren't trying to help. Mine?
Oh
Where's
my
mine?
God. Did anyone have any food? My energy is at 0%.
No.
Oh, I found some. Or at least a piece of box. So it's up there.
Wait, I think the pizza
Yeah,
box.
I have like.
Oh wait, yeah. Wait, do I look here? Do I look?
Who's catnap?
Oh my God. No, there's food right here. I mean,
Guys, I'm making the
I
food
said,
place.
no, there's like food right here. Not over there. It's right there. Okay. Now, where is my house? I forgot.
Oh my god. Sadie,
What?
I'm building a thing.
Nice.
Don't mind my big tower of
I found my thing. Finally. Me store Num Num, you go right there.
Num num. I ate Mr. Num Num.
No, I eat Mr. Num Num. That's why it's called Mr. Num
Is
Num.
there like an energy drink somewhere?
What?
Does anyone have an energy drink?
No. They'll kill you.
No, you can't have soda in the game though. Soda's bad for you.
Kills you.
Yeah. Oh, I have water.
Why do
I
you
give
have
you
water?
energy. I already ate it. Sorry.
Oh my god, there's a television.
I already know that.
I just
Guys,
I can touch it? Oh my god,
guys,
it's on.
guys, guess what I made? The
What do
bucket.
you make?
I made the food bucket.
You made the what?
I made the bucket all full of food.
Bro, this game is so glitchy. I can't see the item when I'm picking up.
The game's not even glitchy, Leo.
Great, I found a Mr. Num Num again.
Where's Mr. Num Num?
No.
Guys,
Give me Mr. Num Num, you jerk.
guys. Did you guys
What?
know that you could dash?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, like this.
No. How?
So you run and then you press the crouch button.
Eh.
I did it.
Yeah.
My god, oh
Damn, that's gonna be really nice.
Oh my god, it's hilarious. Okay. Yeah, I need food desperately. I'm about to die.
Oh, there's food in the food bucket.
Okay. I found food over here. Wait, I found the replenishing thing.
If you want Sadie, no more Mr. Num Num. You're not eating Mr. Num Num.
No, I will eat Mr. Num Num.
If you really want him, come to my base.
I'm trying to get food because I'm hungry.
I love robbing IKEA.
Yep, it's amazing.
Oh shoot, my Alexa heard that.
Oh, oops. Consume, consume, consume,
You
consume.
probably heard the 3008 part too,
Oh
though.
my god, guys. No one look up in my house.
What?
No one look up in my house. There was an employee. An employee came.
Me too. Me.
I just realized how screwed we would be if you actually encountered an employee in the daytime. I gotta say, this is real life. You'd be screwed. You just see the employee just sees your face.
They probably, if this is real life, they probably go to jail.
Okay, Layla, I'm coming to your base for Mr. Num Num because you stole him from me.
Oh.
Give me Mr. Num Num. Where are you hiding him?
He is behind that blue bed over there.
I see him. Mr. Num Num 2.0.
He abandoned you. That's why he left. Cause he knew you were gonna eat him.
Eh.
Oh my god.
Eh.
I just figured out a way. If I'm running, I could just. Woo. Oh, yeah, this is amazing. One thing gonna be.
My base is safe.
Nope. I'm hiding under this thing. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it.
Mr. Num Num.
Hey, are you staying at Mason's?
Yeah.
Okay. Mason's is pretty good though. He has a pretty good place.
He's a freaking slide.
Yeah. I jump in. Hello, Mason.
I'm turning all the TVs on.
Oh my
We
god.
love TVs. Let's go.
We're chilling in my base. We're literally chilling.
Yeah, and Layla's out there just suffering.
This is also the easiest place to get for me. This
Wait,
is the easiest way to get for me.
We can actually slide inside.
What?
No way!
Look. You have to do the dash thing. You have to sprint and then crouch, like Lily said. I'm
Sprint?
stuck.
Crouch. You have to like get your sprint to work. Oh, I can't sprint anymore, guys. That's a problem.
What?
Does anyone have anything to sprint with? Like any energy, like water, maybe?
That's what I'm looking for because I need it too.
Yeah, I have like no. I have no energy. I have 0% energy. I'm walking outside because I'm gonna die anytime soon.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
me
just-
too, because there was a mannequin thing jumping on my head.
Okay. So now. I
Oh
go
my
back
god,
to my-
Charlotte joined. Charlotte joined us.
Oh my god.
And so did Spider-Man Hand, but he already left. Should I tell Charlotte we're doing a YouTube video right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he already left. Good,
Oh.
good.
I don't think she likes this game, that's why. Me store nom number 1. Me store
I'm starving, guys. I need food. Oh, I lost all my energy.
I died because of my hunger. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh no, Layla died.
It's fine. She waypointed her home, didn't she?
She died.
Didn't she waypoint her home though?
I don't. Layla, did you set a waypoint?
Yeah, I said, oh, wait.
Okay, she set a waypoint. We good.
Wait, how do you open the door?
You can't.
I love video game logic.
Okay.
Oh my god, I found more water.
Okay.
Bro, it's 800 miles away from me.
It's blocked. Okay.
Layla, follow me.
Yeah.
I didn't leave that far. You're right next to my home.
I got a refrigerator.
Don't be expanding. That's mean.
And if I get in your way, I don't care. I will just demolish your house.
Is this
I
your
will
place?
demolish your house.
Sadie, why do you have Rain the picture of a guy on your as a picture here?
That's Dwayne the Rock Johnson, Layla.
What in the?
That's why I wanted to live here.
Okay, I'm gonna waypoint your house
Wait, why my house?
because I'm gonna waypoint almost everyone. So
I'm gonna talk to you and try to murder you.
Layla,
yeah,
I have a new I have another TV. I can't see you guys. That's the problem.
Their base to mine. Who wants to connect their base
what
to
is
mine?
this? Oh, it's a slide.
But
But there's
that
a
makes us go.
hula hoop thing.
Don't steal the fly! Don't steal the fly!
Mason, we're gonna connect our house.
Oh,
I'm not gonna steal your whatever thing it is.
Wait, actually, hold on. I think it might be too far away.
Oh no, don't worry, we got plenty of material.
Okay.
I created a
Maybe not
freeway.
enough, but we got
I
plenty.
have no idea where Lily's house is.
Okay, I'm gonna finish building my house first, and then.
Don't you dare expand your house, Mason. I will find you and I will hurt you.
God.
Who's talking? I can't really hear.
Lily's gonna hurt you. I don't know why. She's mean.
You mean? gonna smash you with a cheesy again.
He can get through my defenses of beautiful house.
Oh my god.
I think I'm being way too confident in this house.
Oh my god, a flat screen TV. Gimme.
I think I have
Oh, what now?
Well, it fell down. I hope it's not broken.
It probably is. Doesn't matter. We can just steal another one.
Yeah. The life of an IKEA worker.
Okay, that works.
Thing is, we don't even work here.
I was not saying that. I was talking about us.
We still don't do it.
Why is there goldfish in here? And I don't
Why?
even want to ask why.
It's a food. Wait, are you at the food place?
Yes, there are a whole bag of goldfish.
Because that's where food goes, Layla.
Oh, I think I know whose house this is because I see two Mr. Num Nums.
Oh my god, wait, here's just two new Mr. Num Nums.
Wait, you go into my house? Miss Ma'am! Get away from my Mr. Num Nums. I will whack you with a container. I will hurt you. I will hurt you. Get out. Get away. Get away. Get away. I will literally buy oh, frick. Well, yep. Bye, Layla. I'm going to, no, I'm going to Mason's house.
Mason, I'm here. Save me. Oh my
Yep,
god.
nope.
He teared up the whole back of his house. Wait,
I'm building a hallway.
wait, building a place to the food is pretty smart though. Like building like a tunnel to the food is smart.
Okay, guys, it's the end of the video. Layla, I will freaking murder you. Get in line. Okay, so, guys, it's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And everybody target Lily in the next video saying she's mean.